Here's some American muscle at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a beauty too, 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. 396 car and a real SS, of course. 138 VIN designation will let us know that. Best of all, 4-speed manual transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Has had a repaint. Paint is approximately 5 years old. Nice shine to it, shows well. Ivory interior. Check out the still pictures. All right, undersides of this car. Take a look at the frame and the floor pans. Take a look at the engine bay, interior, trunk, up and down the sides. You're gonna see this car from every angle, over 100 pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on slotted wheels, Chevrolet center caps, beauty rings, BF Goodrich radials. All right, now when I say straight, look at the panels. Down the passenger side of this car, you can see that paint has a nice reflection in it. Very straight, and you know what black will show if it's not done right. It will stand out. Poor work. In this case, no. Look at those panels. Here's that ivory interior, of course, bucket seat, center console with the seat belts intact. 4-speed manual transmission. There is a retro sound style radio that was installed. That is working. Great body style. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Also in good shape. Couple little small touch-up spots. And it's black. You may find a small imperfection here or there, but I tell you what, they're few and far in between. This car will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. We are going to start it up. You're going to hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It does have air shocks on the rear, and the fill for those is behind the license plate bracket, just down in the right bottom corner. All right, a few other notes to mention on this car. It does have a new ring and pinion, new axles, HEI ignition. Brakes are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. New power steering pump, dual exhaust front to rear. And I mentioned it earlier, but I'm going to tell you again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside of this car. It's unbelievable. If you like these Chevelles, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Look at the reflection of the cars behind me and the side of that, and again, you can see how straight those panels are. Previous owner of this vehicle, when he purchased it, had been hunting high and low, and when he came across this car, it's one of the reasons why he purchased it, is look at those undersides, and you'll see the frame and the floor pans, and then up and down, and how straight this car was. That's what sold him on it. Just decided it is time for somebody else to enjoy it, and we wonder who that lucky individual is gonna be. If we take a little closer look at the interior, there's your white vinyl buckets, no rips, tears, holes. It really doesn't show any wear at all. You'll see the interior from every angle. 6x9s on the rear deck. Headliner looking good. Visor's intact. That's fired up. This is a good sounding car. Nice firm clutch. And that 396 big block. Mentioned I did have the radio working. Get a station that has some reception here. There you hear it. Top of the dash looking good. How nicely that door closed. I told you it was a good sounding car. A little rumble coming out of that big block. Nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. Let's go see how this engine bay looks. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. And then remember, if you stick around, Jason's gonna take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, there's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy, and here it is. 396. Looks like a newer aluminum radiator. Again, power steering, power brakes. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Don't wait on this one if you're looking for a 66 Chevelle True SS. Number to call, 507-386-1726. I don't think this one's going to be around long. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pics will be. Look at the stance in that car too. It looks good. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle, 4-on-the-floor manual transmission. Excellent power from this car. The wipers work. We have a stereo on the dash working. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these drive videos for you. Such a great sound of this car. I just want to rev it up and down to let that sound come out. Fuel gauge reads 1/4 of a tank. We are clock equipped here. The speedometer is working. Brakes are very effective, working well. I'd say responsive clutch, responsive throttle, and brakes. It's all working well. When's the last time you saw one of these on a snowy corner? Corners well. We've had a lot of slick days in Minnesota this winter, but we're doing these driving videos for you anyway. Very nice car. Check out all the pictures of this 66 Chevelle at UniqueClassicCars.com.